Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes here on Share Talk for Wednesday, the 3rd of October. Starting off with Alpha Growth, which seems to have sparked back to life after bouncing just above the 50-day moving average yesterday at 1.83 pence. That's a buy signal in its own right that the buyers were in there above the 50-day line. We're just waiting for an end-of-day close above 2.5 pence, the late September intraday peak, to give us a 3.5 pence notional target, obviously retesting last month's best levels as well. End-of-day close stop loss back below the 50-day moving average. Decent setup here at Borders and Southern with the break of this this triangle formation and bounce above the 200-day moving average at 3.77 pence. While we're above that, looking for a retest of May resistance at 6 pence. On to a stock which covered a little while back, but worth looking at again now, and Conroy Gold and Natural Resources, breaking this falling wedge formation there at 12 pence, and while we're above that, looking for a journey back towards the 200-day moving average at 18.94 pence on that particular situation. A bit of a struggle for the bulls at Evr Holdings, to say the least. Obviously, that pullback from near 20 pence back down to 5. Yesterday's price action with that long green candle looks hopeful, let's say, and also it looks as though we've broken out of this falling wedge formation above 6 pence. Hopefully, the shares can head back towards the main recent resistance, which is around 10 pence, and the 200-day moving average, obviously back below yesterday's floor around 5.25 pence, would then suggest that this is just an intermediate dead cat bounce. Onto a stock where there is no such equivocation. I've got Emmerson here with the beautiful break that we had last month outside, through the top of this falling wedge from June. We've had several long candles there since then. Still looking for a retest of the best levels since June, around the, or just below the 5 pence level. That target value while we hold above 3.6 pence, which was that strange June resistance area that we've got there. So reasonable risk reward on that situation. Stock which I don't think I've looked at here for quite a while, if at all, is Georgian Mining. Here we've got a falling wedge breakout, or at least triangle breakout through 9.5 pence with that resistance line there from April. While we're above that, looking for hopefully a retest of the April peak at 15 pence, but should at least make it up towards 11-12 pence, which is the 200-day moving average shown there in black. Finishing off with a stock which delivered very well over the late summer. Pulled back during the middle of last month, obviously from the near the highs near 10 pence, but a gap higher today off an uptrend line from August, and while we hold above that uptrend line at 6.5 pence, we should hopefully get a retest of the best levels of last month towards 10 pence. But cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end of day close above 8 pence, which is looks to be resistance from the latter part of September. That's it from me. More updates tomorrow.